52 says, consider the inequality, the quadratic inequality x squared plus 2x plus 1 is less than 4. The first thing they want us to do in part A is to solve for the boundary points. How many boundary points are there going to be? So the first thing we want to do is we want to get the right side of the equation to be 0. Right now there's a 4 there. So we need to subtract that 4 and move it over to the other side. So 1 minus that 4 gets us this -3 right here. Okay, that makes our equation x squared plus 2x minus 3. And normally you'd have an equal sign, but we have the inequality less than 0. Okay? So we're going to graph that equation, and I'll show it to you in just a second. But basically, it's a parabola, because it has the x squared, right? And it's going to cross the axis. This one in particular is going to cross your axis twice. Once at -3, 0, and another time at 1, 0, which means it's going to have 2 boundary points, one at the -3 and one at +1, okay? That's going to create 3 regions, and I'll show you on the graph in just a second, but your parabola is like this. So where it intersects the axis, you're going to have one region to the left, a second region in the middle, and then a third region to the right. Okay, so there will be 3 regions, and you're going to see where each of them ends up. So from -3 to +1, you want that shading in between the two to show where it's less than 0. Okay, so let me